Good morning, children. Today we are going to do worksheet of Unit 1. What is the question over here? Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Now over here, what you have to do? Here sentences are given and below options are given A, B and C. We have to look at the sentence and select the correct options. So shall we start? Okay. Number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. I wonder if my dash will like me or stare at me. Here the child is thinking about when he'll go to school. So who will look at him, like him or stare at him? So what is the answer over here? A. Friend, B. Teachers or C. Mom. So what is the correct answer? A. Friends. He was talking about his friends. Now 2 number. Why was Haldi staring at the giraffe? Haldi giraffe को क्यों घूर रही थी? Because it was looking funny, because it was wearing big glasses, or because it was looking too scary. So what is the correct answer? Because it was wearing big glasses. 3 number. What does Haldi do in the school? So A. Play, B. Talk, C. Learn. So what is the correct answer? Learn about the stars. So what is the correct answer? C. Learn about the stars. We'll read all the sentences together, children. So everyone look here. Choose the correct answer. I wonder if my dash will like me or stare at me. So answer is friend. Why was Haldi staring at the giraffe? So answer is B, because it was wearing big glasses. 3 number. What does Haldi do in the school? So Haldi learn about the stars in the school. Now we'll go to the next page. Write the missing letters. Number 1. W dash dash D dash R. So what will you write in the blanks? W O N D E R. Wonder. Then 2 number. S T dash R dash S. So S T A R E S. Stairs. S T A R E S. Stairs. 3 number. P dash P P dash. So P U P P Y. Puppy. 4 number. S dash R P R dash S dash D. So S U R P R I S E D. Surprised. 5 number. A D V dash N T dash R dash. So A D V E N T U R E. Adventure. 6 number. W dash N D dash R F dash L. So W O N D E R F U L. Wonderful. G dash R A F F. So G I R A F F E. Giraffe. P L dash Y G R dash dash N D. So P L A Y G R O U N D. Playground. Now we'll read all the words together, children. Write the missing letters. Number 1. W O N D E R. Wonder. Number 2. S T A R E S. Stairs. Number 3. P U P P Y. Puppy. Number 4. S U R P R I S E D. Surprised. Number 5. A D V E N T U R E. Adventure. Number 6. W O N D E R F U L. wonderful. Number 7, GIRAFFE, giraffe. Number 8, PLAYGROUND, playground. Now we'll read all the words together. Number 1, wonder. Number 2, stairs. Number 3, puppy. Number 4, surprised. Number 5, adventure. Number 6, wonderful. Number 7, giraffe. Number 8, playground. So dear children, you have to write this worksheet of unit 1 in your English notebook. Complete this work in your English notebook. Thank you. After the exercise of choose the correct and missing letters, now we are going to do T for true or F for false. We are going to write T for true or F for false. Now we'll read the sentences. I wonder if my teacher will look like my mom or gran. Over here in the poem, the child is thinking about the teacher. So he is thinking correct only. So it is T for true. Haldi was going to the shop. You remember Haldi story? So Haldi was going to the shop. No, Haldi was going to the school. So this is false. What it is? This is false. 3 number. The giraffe had a book in his hand. Yes. When Haldi was staring at giraffe, what he was having? He was having a book in his hand. So this is true. 4th number. The giraffe name was Moti. No, this is false. What was the giraffe name? Smiley. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns. We have to circle the common nouns and we have to underline the proper noun. So over here we'll start. Bridge. Bridge is a common noun. So we will circle it. Zayan is a name of a person. So we'll underline. Child. Child is a common noun. So we'll circle it. Mars is a proper noun. Even New Delhi is also a proper noun. All proper nouns start with capital letter. You can see Zayan J is capital. Mars M is capital. New Delhi N is capital. Delhi D is capital. Football. Football is common. So we have underlined. Mysore. Mysore is a football is common. So we have to circle. And Mysore is a proper noun. So we'll underline it. Bicycle is also a common noun. So we'll circle it. Ranjan is a name. So we will underline it. And leaf is a common noun. So we have circle it. So what you circle common nouns? Bridge, child, football, leaf and bicycle. And what is proper noun? Zayan, Mars, New Delhi, Mysore and Ranjan. Now we'll go to the next page. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? What does the child think about his drawing in the poem? So the child thinks whether his drawing will be as good as his classmates. The child is thinking about the drawing, whether his drawing will be as good as his classmate. Question 2. What does he think about his friends in school? What does he think? Means what does the child think about his friends in school? Answer 2. He thinks whether his friends will like him or they will just stare at him. Here the child is thinking they'll make friendship with him or they'll just stare at him. Question 3. Whom did Haldi meet? Answer 3. Haldi met a giraffe on the way. Question 4. What did Haldi learn in school? Answer 4. Haldi learned about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals in the school. What did Haldi learn? When the Smiley was asking Haldi, why do you go to school? What do you learn in the school? So Haldi is explaining, saying that she learns about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals in the school. So we'll repeat once again all the Answer the following questions. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? The child thinks whether his drawing will be as good as his classmates. Number 2. What does he think about his friends in school? Answer 2. He thinks whether his friends will like him or they will just stare at him. Number 3. Whom did Haldi meet? Answer 3. Haldi met a giraffe on the way. Question 4. What did Haldi learn in school? Answer 4. Haldi learned about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals in the school. So dear children, you have to write this worksheet in your English notebook. You have to write, choose the correct answers, then missing letters, then write T for true, F for false, and in the last answer the following question. All these you have to write in your English notebook. Thank you.